Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. Right here we have this nice Math Olympiad problem. We have to look for the value of C. So the first thing guys we want to do right here is to simply simplify both sides. So simplifying both sides, we have that C multiplied C is going to give us C squared over 4 multiplied 4. We can write this to be 4 squared, which is equals to 4 squared over C squared. So once we have this right here, the next thing we want to simply do is to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, this becomes C squared multiplied C squared is equal to 4 squared multiplied 4 squared. Now applying the property of exponent that says a raised to the power of m multiply a raised to the power of m is equals to a raised to the power of m plus n. So applying this property, this becomes c raised to the power of 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 2. Alright, and this becomes c raised to the power of 4, which is equals to 4 raised to the power of 4. At this point, all you want to do is to simply rearrange the equation and set it to 0. So this becomes c raised to the power of 4 minus 4 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 0. Now we can easily rewrite this to be c squared all squared minus 4 squared all squared. This is equals to 0. Alright, so this we want to simply apply the difference of two squares. So applying the difference of two squares, that states that if we have a squared minus b squared, this is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So applying this right here, we have that a is equals to c squared and b is equals to 4 squared. So hence this becomes c squared minus 4 squared into c squared plus 4 squared, and this is equal to 0. And this implies that c squared minus 4 squared is equals to 0 and c squared plus 4 squared is equals to 0. So let's simply solve this. We have this to be c squared is equals to 4 squared. So all we have to do is to simply take the square roots of both sides, and this becomes the square root of c squared equal to plus minus the square root of 4 squared. Okay, so this is going to cancel this. We have c is equals to plus minus. This cancelling this, we have this to be 4. So therefore, c is equals to plus 4 or minus 4. Alright, so this can be simplified by saying c squared plus 4 squared is 16, which is equals to 0. So we have c squared is equals to negative 16. So take the square roots of both sides. So taking the square roots of both sides, this becomes the square root of c squared is equals to plus minus the square root of negative 16, and this is going to cancel out this. We have c is equals to plus minus the root of 16 into the root of negative 1, but the root of negative 1 is equals to I. So right here we have that c is equals to plus minus the root of 16 is 4 and the root of negative 1 is I. So therefore c is equals to plus 4i or c is equals to negative 4i. So therefore the values of c, we have it to be c equals to plus 4 and c equals to minus 1. We have c is equals to plus 4i and minus 4i. So right, we have been able to have the values of c. So the next thing guys we want to do is to simply verify for these values. So to verify, we have the original question to be c over 4 multiply c over 4 is equals to 4 over c multiply 4 over c. So we are going to start for c equals to plus 4. This becomes 4 over 4 multiply 4 over 4 is equals to 4 over 4 multiply 4 over 4. So this is going to cancel out this. This will cancel out this. So we have this to be 1 multiply 1 is equals to this cancel out this cancel out this. We have 1 multiply this and this cancel out is 1. So this becomes 1 is equals to 1. And the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So for the next value of c, which is for c equals to negative 4, and we have this to be c over 4 multiply c over 4 is equals to 4 over c multiply 4 over c. So this becomes negative 4 over 4 multiply negative 4 over 4 is equals to 4 over negative 4 multiply 4 over negative 4. So this and this cancel out. We have this to be negative 1 multiply this cancel out. We have this to be negative 1 is equal to this cancel out. This we have 1 over negative 1 multiply this cancel out. We have 1 over negative 1. Negative 1 multiply negative 1 is 1, which is equals to 1 over negative 1 multiply negative 1 is 1, which is 1 is equals to 1. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So let's solve for the complex roots. For the complex root, we have that c is equals to plus minus 4i. So we say for c equals to plus 4i, and we have that c over 4 multiply c over 4 is equals to 4 over c multiply 4 over c. So right here we have this to be 4i over 4 multiply 4i over 4 is equals to 4 over 4i multiply 4 over 4i. Okay, so this cancel out this, we have this to be I, multiply this cancel out this, we have this to be I, which is equal to this cancel out this, we have 1 over I, multiply this cancel out this, we have 1 over I. And I multiply I is I square, which is equal to 1 multiply 1 is 1 over I square, and this is equal to negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Alright, so the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So lastly, for c equals to negative 4i, we have this to be c over 4 multiply c over 4 is equal to 4 over c multiply 4 over c. So this becomes negative 4i over 4 multiply negative 4i over 4, which is equal to 4 over negative 4i multiply 4 over negative 4i. So this cancel this, we have negative I minus this cancel out this, negative I is equal to this cancel out this, we have 1 over negative I multiply this cancel out this, we have 1 over negative I. So negative I multiply negative I is I square, which is equal to 1 multiply 1 is 1, negative I multiply negative 1 is I square. So this becomes, so right here we have this to be minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So therefore the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And we have been able to verify for all of the values of c. So therefore the values of c right here are c equals to plus 4 and minus 4, and c is equal to plus 4i minus 4i. And we have been able to simplify this question right here. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.